Okay students, let us do question 6 of exercise 8.2. In this question, a quadrilateral ABCD is given to us and P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It is given to us. Now we have to prove that the line segments joining the midpoints of opposite sides bisect each other. Means the line joining the midpoints of the opposite side. Midpoint of this is a P and the midpoint of opposite side DC is R. So line segment joining the midpoints means PR और ये दोनों भी आपकी opposite sides हैं and they are the midpoints. So line joining this. We have to prove that PR and SQ are bisecting each other. Now let us start the proof of this. For this let us join AC. Let us join PQRS. Now, in triangle ABC, P is midpoint of AB and Q is midpoint of BC. Then this implies this PQ line is parallel to the third side, that is AC and is half of it. PQ is parallel to AC and half of AC. How? By midpoint theorem. You can write in this on the reason. Call it equation number 1. Now similarly, now we will take the second triangle ADC. Now in triangle ADC, S is the midpoint of AD, R is the midpoint of CD and this implies SR is parallel to AC and SR is half of AC, same by midpoint theorem. As we have done first part, similarly we have taken first time, see the diagram, first time we have taken the diagram ABC triangle. This is a midpoint, this is a midpoint, so PQ is parallel to AC and is half of it. Second time we have taken this triangle ACD, this is the midpoint of this line, this is the midpoint of this line, so SR, the line joining, is parallel to the third side, that is AC. So we have made two equations now. From equation 1 and 2, what is the conclusion? The equation 1 and 2, the conclusion is that PQ and SR are parallel to each other and equal to each other. Why? Because they are parallel to the same line, so they are parallel to each other, and they are equal to the same line's half, so they are equal to each other. So if we prove that PQ, see the diagram, we have proved PQ and SR are parallel and equal. If one opposite side pair is equal and parallel, then it will become a parallelogram. Hence, PQRS is a parallelogram because one pair of opposite side is parallel, or we can write only hence. And if in a parallelogram, we know that in a parallelogram, diagonals bisects each other. It is a property of parallelogram that the diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Hence proved that these two lines bisect each other. This we have to prove that this and this line are bisecting each other. We have proved that this is a parallelogram and these are the diagonals. So in a parallelogram, diagonals always bisect each other. Hence the theorem proof, and this way we can do this.